Guys, I'm currently in Naiya 3 and nakita ko na bukas na yung mga restaurants. So, what I'm gonna do, titignan natin yung mga restaurants niyan. So, aakyat tayo ng second floor. So, diba, ito yung paakyat mong second floor na to. So, let's just go and see. So, inagahan ko talaga pumunta dito para lang makita lahat ng mga restaurants available. Okay, ikutin ko from the far end, doon sa may parking area, hanggang doon sa mga restaurants na meron. Para lang makita natin lahat ng meron or lahat ng mga available restaurants here. Okay, ginawa ko guys para doon ako from gate 1 paakyat para makita natin lahat ng mga restaurants here. You have your first one here which is like a pan de coco. May mga juices, fruit shakes siya na store. Then you have Farinas on the other side. So empanada. Pakita ko sa inyo. These are all the empanadas that you're gonna buy. Ayan siya. Alam ko ito yung mga luma na to eh, hindi nyo gusto. So it starts from 120 hanggang 200 pesos. Then you have all of the different stores here. Plus meron kang potato corner dyan. Then you have Shakey's, Pancake House, and then you also have Jollibee. So yeah, that hindi naman nagbago naman yan. So you have that. And then you have Filipino food on the other side, yung kusina. And then, may Japanese. Etong ramen matagal na to, in fairness naman. It's like tonkatsu or raku pala, Hokkaido ramen. In fairness, Hokkaido ramen siya. Then, Merlion Cafe naman on the other side. Ito yung parang mga old pa to. Like, matagal na tong mga to. Like Chinese food. Ganito siya. So, apparently, since sa third floor mo, technically fourth floor pala yung mga restaurants niya, yung mga luma. So it's not there. It's on the second floor. So hindi ako nakikinig sa instructions. So we have to go down. And it's outside. So it's usually before you check in, kumakain ka doon. Pero kahit naka-check in ka, wala naman problema. Kasi you can go out naman. You just need to show your boarding pass para makapasok ka ulit sa departure area. Yun lang. So I'm gonna go down to show it to you. So guys, ito yung stairs mo to go down. And then that's the second floor. Kasi ba yung first floor, that's your arrival. So second floor siya. Finally, I saw it na. Ito siya, the whole second floor mo. Kinda cute! Okay, so it's ganito ha. I'll show you. So naalala nyo guys, kung nag-a-arrive ka sa Naiya, dyan yan, diba? Arrival. Tapos papunta doon is to get your taxi, mga Grab pala, ride hailing. And then second floor, ito siya. So it's the new wing here. Ang cute! So guys, ito yung itsura mo with all the different restaurants. In fairness, ang ganda. Para siyang mall na. So you have a Watami there. So in fairness, may Watami ka na restaurant here. Then guys, may Nanyang and Chili's just within. Ito may isa pang bistro group. Modern Shang is here. And then you have an Angel's Pizzas coming soon. And then beside Watami is actually Bread Talk. In fair guys, oh. Ang dami mong pwedeng gawin here. Tapos, guys, meron pang LA Chicks here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Yum! So guys, LA Chicks mo, ganyan kalaki yan. Then there will be a Banapol opening soon. Chowking. And you have Seattle's Best here. And then you also have a KFC. Then may UCC ka na rin soon that's opening just in front. And then guys, you have a Pancake House also opening. There will be a Popeyes opening soon here just beside Angel's Pizza din. Cute! Guys, so from the parking also, you can already access this. May Mama Lou's siya. And then may Kenny Rogers na rin siya dito. And then ito yung parang bago nilang yung Jayco na nakikita natin. Hello, Alves from Just Got Fed. Nakita ko, nag-trend yung TikTok ni Alves dyan. And then Mary Grace. Then beside it, diba, Kenny Rogers, beside that is your Paris Baguette. Alam ko medyo maingay kasi may construction happening. And then you have a Marugame Udon on the other side naman dito, guys. Now guys, sa third floor also, basta umakyat ka lang, you have the Dignitaries Lounge here. And then your OFW Lounge is also on the other side. Yun lang yung mga kailangan nyo ring alamin. So yun muna yung mga restaurants that is here and open. So yun yung mga pwede nyo kainan. As of shooting this is like October 2025. So next thing that we're gonna do is all the lounges naman. Diba? Yun yung mas gusto nyo. Okay, so guys, diba? Yung sa immigration mo, meron ka ng mga gates doon where you just have to tap your boarding pass or scan your boarding pass para pumasok ka na doon sa immigration. Diba dati, naalala nyo yung mga security guard nag-check pa ng, oh, tama ba yung boarding pass mo? But now, digital na siya. So may insert ako dyan. And then, after your immigration, security check, which is just behind me, pagpasok nyo, guys, ayun yung arrows ng airline lounge. You just have to follow those arrows. And then gate 114 yan eh. Yun sa taas. So, dun sa airline lounge, dun tayo aakyat. So, if you're gonna see it here, 114. Now, meron kang elevators to go up. So, di ba may elevators ka? Pero also, may stairs ka dito. So, personally, I just take the stairs. Okay, so all of your A lounge, guys, nandito siya. And then, dito yung line mo, di ba? So, papasok ka via your A lounge. And then, let's see kung meron spaces here. Ganyan siya. Ito yung A lounge mo. So, guys, ito yung A lounge mo. And ito yung itsura ng buong lounge mo here. So, now, I want to share with you, ito yung loop mo dito. Ito yung upuan mo. Pero may mga reserved yan. So, meaning for business class yan. And then you have these areas. That's for business. Then, yung mga ganito yung table and chairs. Like, cute. Look at everything that you see. Medyo maliit lang siya. But here is all the food that you're gonna get. So, you have all of your drinks here. So, meron kang beer, meron kang Coke, you have Coke Zero, you have water, you have Sprite, and yung water mo as well. And then, you have your coffee here, cup noodles, and all your different parang waste baskets, nandiyan yan. So, pwede mo kunin yan. And it's all free, ha? And then you have breads, like cheese pimiento. Guys, alam mo, itong cheese pimiento, sobrang sarap yan. Itong maliit na yan, sobrang sarap yan. Then you have your chocolates, may flat tops, oatmeals, then granolas, and cheese as well. And guys, diba, you have your cheeses, your salad, and ito, in fairness, alam mo, itong sausage na to, this is really good. And then you have your creamy pasta rin dito. Ay, alam mo, itong chicken, this sausage is masarap, chicken sausage. Kasi ito is a different kind of sausage, masarap rin yan. And syempre, yung pinakasikat nila dito yung siomai. Dati sa Pags lang meron yan. Sa A-Lounge meron yan. And they also have chicken oats na arroz caldo. Then all of your sausage, like garlics, nandito rin siya with your cutleries. Ito yung mga seating area mo rin as well na meron ka rin ganitong seating area. And then you also have yung ganitong bar. Then may mga saksakan din naman dyan. And then you also have the bar area doon sa far end. I'll show it to you then, guys. So ito yung bar mo here. Here kasi you have, let's say, yung mga drinks matulad ng wine, chocolates, vodka, and then may ref ka rin dito. And then may mga beers ka rin for chill. Dito, naalala ko, dito mo kinukuha yung ice. So, nandyan mo yung ice mo. O, diba? And then wine glasses mo as well. So, ito yung itsura ng buong A-Lounge. Ganito po siya even on the far end that you're going to look at it. So, guys, dito parang 50 yung makakaupo sa lounge mo. So, if ever you're gonna go here, parang kasha dito like 50 people. Then, may mga tables rin siya for groups. And then you also have tables na parang individual. So, it depends on you how you're gonna do it. Bumubulong ako kasi ayoko na maging maingay because syempre there are a lot of people that are resting. Yun. And so, yun po siya. The food selection might not be a lot, but, you know, they're really good naman. Like, if you're going to see na parang kailangan mo na kumain just before, okay na yan. Ito ulit yan. Those are your food selections there. Your drink selections. Lahat ng ganyan nandyan siya. Guys, yung CR niya, nandyan siya sa labas where you entered, and then nalabas ka to this side. Dito yung restroom niya. So medyo nandito siya sa gate na to. Public siya. Wala siyang own restroom nila. So just to share, A-Lounge doesn't have their own restroom. Sa labas yung public restroom niya. But it's just like a door. Ito yung A-Lounge, and then sa harapan niya, that's your lavatory. Ganun lang siya. And then guys, if you're gonna check all of your boarding, nasa TV naman yan, nasa screen yan lahat. If you wanna check it out, so it's all there naman. Okay guys, so in terms of a lounge kasi, for me, it's the newer one. Diba? Parang dati Pags Marhaba, si A Lounge is the newer one. Parang mas bago siyang dumating or pumasok sa world. And the food might not be a lot, pero in terms of selection, if you're gonna compare to Marhaba, mas marami naman siya ng konti. Iba lang siya. Sometimes mas marami si Marhaba, pero both naman are good. I mean, for me, diba, it's a perk of your credit card. So, masarap doon sa A Lounge is yung sausage, yung cheese pimiento na maliit na tinapay, yun yung gusto ko dyan. Like, really good. And you have the drinks naman eh. So, I think okay na yun, may drinks ka naman. So, next that we're gonna go will be the Marhaba one, which is just on the far end side of the other, or the lines ng mga lounge dito, which is also beside the Singapore Airlines lounge naman. So, this is Marhaba. Marhaba shares lounge kasi with Emirates, Air Canada, and all the different rests. Wait lang. Ipapaload ko lang siya guys para at least makita nyo na parang Thai Airways. O nga pala si Thai nandito rin siya. So, I'll just share. Ayan, yan yung mga Union Bank credit cards that you have. Security Bank, pwede rin siya. So, ipapaload lang natin siya all throughout. The BPI also, pwede na rin siya with all priority pass and all the different lounges. So, yun. So, now let's go in to Marhaba para makita nyo all of your different lounges as well.
Yes, kayo or wala?
No, wala. Guys, when you enter, you have your tuna corn sandwich, grilled mushroom cheddar, tapos meron ka rin mga breads mo like your pandesal, soft roll, whole bran, whole wheat, and you have your cereals as well. Tapos syempre, these are your jams as well if ever you do need. So parang marmalade and this like berries. Guys, and then sa food mo, you have your congee or your chicken congee, and you have your your rice, meron kang fried rice, and then tingnan mo bago to, chicken sisig. This sisig looks really good actually, and then meron kang mga fruit, vegetables as well, like your carrots, potato, and then yung japchae. Etong japchae, OG yan, like sobrang tagal ng Marhaba, nandyan na yan. Feeling ko masarap yan, pero this chicken sisig looks really good. And then you have your desserts here, so may chocolate brownies, you have macarons, you have caramel tarts as well. So, ganyan yung itsura niyan guys. So you can just get, ito, ever since meron sila niyan, masarap talaga yan. And then you have your nachos here. Then, syempre, all of your beverage here, like alcoholic beverage, pwede po dyan. And your biscuits, nandyan din yan. And then, may coffee rin sila, iced tea, and their different mugs are all here. And here, all your different drinks. Mayroon silang Coke, Milk, Sprite, Royal. You have your beer, soda water, and tonic water. And yung water dispenser. So, wala siyang bottled water, pero may water dispenser. You can refill your bottled waters here, guys. Or yung mga water bottle. Okay, ito yung chicken sisig nila. I actually wanted to try this kasi ito bago to. Dati wala pa to. So I wanted to see kung kamusta siya. Okay, let's try the chicken. Masarap. Sarap. Guys, winner to. Parang, okay, si Marhaba. Ang sarap itong chicken sisig. Ngayon, sobrang winner. Guys, you have to try this. Ang sarap. And then guys, yung mga saksakan mo dito, almost all the tables will have a bit sa one side ako, tapos may table ako. Yung plug mo sa gitna ng table na to. So, I'll show you. Guys, also sa Marhaba, you also have your shower area. So, siya may shower and then meron siyang restroom. So, both shower and then restroom mo. Ipapakita ko. And may bidet po ang restroom niya and then shower area mo nandyan and everything that you might need. Oh my god, 4 keeps rin yung sabon niya. Guys, meron pa siyang nursing room here. So, if ever kailangan nyo, nandito yung nursing area mo. Ito yung Marhaba mo na lounge. Guys, ito yung Emirates na side. Alam ko iba sila hiwalay, no? So, ito daw yung itsura ng sa kanila. And then, so guys, sa Emirates, iba siya. So, they have your coffee, cereal, and then tea. Then here, syempre, you have your fruits, salad mo, and then you also have soup. Let's say like red pumpkin, broccoli, and chicken congee. Dito meron kang spaghetti. And then your sauteed vegetables, and then beef and baby corn stir fried, and my Korean chicken barbecue. which is this one, and then Yang Chow. So ito parang ano to, parang cordon bleu or morcon. And you have your different desserts here as well. And then syempre you have your different wines and beverages mo, here cheeses. Then you also have your mga bruschetta mo, and then you have your sandwiches, your breads, diba, ang dami. And then you have your Coke, and then you have your beers and all. And ganito yung itsura ng lounge mo here. Siyempre, mas quiet siya here because it's private for Emirates customers lang talaga. Diba? So, iba talaga yung nakahiwalay talaga sila. Ako to. Ano yung lounge mo?
First class room.
Ito yung para sa first class mo. O, diba? And then you have your sandwich. Pag first class dito sila, so hiwalay talaga yung lounge nila. Pag Emirates, diba? O, diba guys? Kakaiba. So that's your Marhaba. And actually guys, sa Marhaba, I've always loved Marhaba because it's one of the OG lounge. It's not the biggest. It's quite small. Medyo parang compressed. Pero like the food's always like good for me. Panlasang Pinoy siya talaga. And then, hindi siya laging as crowded. Kasi alam ko dati, di ba sasabi yung Pags masyadong crowded, ganyan-ganyan, nung nangyayari. Pero si Marhaba, mas hindi. Kaya mas nakakatuwa rin siya. Pero for me, whatever perks you get, di ba? Go with it. Ako gusto ko yan. May CR na siya sa loob niya. Food is also good. Kahit konti siya, compress siya. So, tingnan nyo nilang what fits or saan meron kayong perk. And then, tingnan nyo how you're gonna compare. For now, these are the only two with the credit card lounge access. Kaya hindi ko sinasabi si Pags. Because si Pags is not for credit card holders. So, kaya hindi ko siya sinasama dun sa video na to. Buti nga na ganito na nangyari para at least we now know kung saan yung may libre at saan yung hindi. Then, pwede mo na lang siya tingnan kung where you have your perks, di ba?